look at the sky. The rain is starting to fall, and I am on my way to work. Oh, the sky looks good. Oh. Catch face. My face no wake up yet. My face don't wake up yet, honestly. Hey guys, so y'all don't mind my hair and the face, alright? We're in a hurricane right now. My face a hurricane right now. But guys, this video you're about to spend 24 hours with me at work. Hold on guys, just a minute. Alright guys, so now I wonder when motor go round and round and round and round and round and round and round. Anyway, when I see me kind of look smiley and chirpy, me still like guys, I don't really want to put too much out there because of confidentiality, but I may never come to work prepared to stay overnight. I did not. So right now,
guys, never. That
Never. We never come to work. Yeah, me and her there, me and Maya there. But we never come to work prepared to stay overnight. And when we come to work, we hear say we have to go stay until tomorrow. 24 hours. Yeah guys, so I when we come to work, we actually hear say an overnight thing. So right now I'm just there one bounce and cup soup. I may carry some food. I have to go left that for dinner and go and bounce dry goods. Come on. Yeah. So guys, me we check in back with you a little after this. I go do something right now. Me check in back with you. And for the rest of the day, the night into tomorrow morning, I will check back in with you here. Hold on there. You guys, it is now 11:38 and the storm is storming. Let me show you outside. I can't even get a good view. Look, and you see how long they're over there. No sir, these people though. Look there, place a tear down. Look how they're working at the hurricane. Hurricane for days. Guys, catch banana trees. Oh, that's up. Look at me out here in a storm. Why? That's truth. Much now one man. Woo. Oh, that's up. Breeze. Oh, sir, watch me out here in a storm. No? No? Guys, I'm gonna go over TikTok. I'm gonna go live on TikTok right now. Alright guys, so it seemed to get a little worse. Let me show you what's going on. That's it has gotten worse. Oh, look there fly. Leaves be flying and trees be flying and zincs be flying. Yes. CVM news tonight. But drone, why am I out here and do this funeral? Why am I out here and do this funeral? But drone. Oh God, my drone. What's out the door? Shake. Oh my God. Alright guys, so even though the weather is weathering and hurricane a blow outside, work still a keep. Work still be keeping guys. But anyways, let me just give you a little sit down for 5 seconds and I can know what's going on. So basically I was supposed to come in for today's shift. However, it was when I came in this morning I got to understand that it's a possibility that I would have to be here overnight because of the time that I'm supposed to go home and the other person is supposed to come on. It's basically right in the midst of the hurricane, so it's kind of impossible, and the winds are behaving terribly out there. The rain is falling, but not so much where you see like a lot of water running and stuff. No, we're not getting that much rain right now, but the winds, it's hard right out there right now. We already have one of the solar panel blow off of the top of the building, and some boards, I don't know where them board they come from, but yeah, we have that going on right now. The trees them around there so tear down, trees over there so tear down, but thanks be to God we're inside and we're dry, we're warm. We turn off the AC them and everything, so inside no bad, we're good inside. It's just that we know so we'll get tired, like, because it's a 24-hour shift from 7 a.m. to 7 a.m. Not a pretty shift in the hurricane. And my family them, oh God, me feel sorry for them. Like, them feel sorry for me being at work in the hurricane, and me feel sorry for them feeling sorry for me. You understand? Like, me know how that's supposed to feel to them. Like, some form of guilt, and not even say guilt, maybe me no know, but the feeling there, like them feel sorry for me, because even when me left this morning, my auntie I said, oh God, me sorry for you. God knows me feel sorry for you, but guys, we're alright. Honestly, we're alright. At least at the end of this, I'm gonna buy myself something that I've been wanting, or something when I deserve. If I work in a hurricane, I'm going to get myself something nice for this. So I'm not worrying myself here. I know say when I love me and would mind I was home with my kids and my hubby, warm and nice. But I just saw it go sometime. It's just the work world. But I'm okay guys, I'm okay. So right now, nobody now come again right now, because as me telling you, the winds are heavy out there. So if somebody come out there right now, trust me, I don't feel like they have nothing to live for. There's no meaning to their lives if somebody, if actually, unless it's a emergency life or death situation where, all right, is either them or me or two or we or whatever the case is, then all right, so the rain will come look harder now. Excuse me. We're okay. My battery low. I'm gonna charge my phone. That's how I'm grateful for as well. I can charge my phone, I can be on the internet, I can edit videos, I can do just about anything, guys. Yeah. But right now, I'm just going do some book work and just keep myself comfortable and warm. I'm out, so basically drop asleep, because as I tell you now, nothing going really. So we're good. That me try to tell me. So we're good. Right? Me know. Me wish me like them home. Yes, of course. But we're alright. We're alright. Anyway, that's just my little chit chat for right now. And I'm gonna keep you posted on what's going on with the hurricane outside, because it looks scary. It looks scary. My first major hurricane I witnessed was Ivan, and this one is worse than Ivan. As them said, this could be even worse than Gilbert. I'm about like couple days, weeks after Gilbert, because I don't know, say Gilbert was in September, October. Why, like, seriously? When was Gilbert? Was it in September or October? I want to tell me in the comment section. I'm born October the 18th. So I don't know, say I'm born. As them would say, a Gilbert blow me out. Because based on the time frame where, like, the due date when mommy got, made her come almost a month earlier. So them say a Gilbert blow me out. But yeah, guys, that's it. We're at work in the hurricane, but we're good. Alright? So we keep on posted. Alright, guys, so the winds have subsided and now we're getting the rain. So right now rain is keeping. And see the solar panel here? A customer take it up and carry it and put it here. So that's it. Ooh. So see there, guys, that's what's up. Alright, rain falling in. Close. So guys, there was a possibility that we would not have to spend the entire night at work, because the officers are out and they would have been able to pick up the worker for tonight. However, I'm not getting through to her. The both networks are down, both digital and flow are down. Internet is down. And so even if they have data service, the phone would have to pick up for use the data and the phone not working. So there's no way to get to her. So right now, so basically if we could just call it a day, call it a night, or if we could just stick it out basically. But right now it is almost 6 o'clock, guys, almost 6 o'clock, and I just warm up my food, some curry chicken and rice, and I did bring some coffee. So I'm gonna just eat my curry chicken and rice and make my coffee and have that and go relax. People, best believe, say after me there telling them, I think nobody ever really come whatever in this storm, and only no one see the people them literally run and a look about with hand pan head and run come by gas. Seriously. Like, I don't know. God, only tell me if I'm just country people stay so or a Jamaican and a whole. I feel like a Jamaican and a whole, because I saw one video with some people basically like keep party in the middle of the storm, in the middle of the road. Some Jamaicans, Jamaicans. Boy, I don't know what Jamaicans are going to ever take serious, or when them are going to ever take something serious. Probably Judgment Day. I kind of talk funny because I have a pimple on my tongue over here, so it kind of make me talk funny. But I don't know when Jamaicans are going to take things serious. My God, the people them in the middle of the rain, breeze, I run and I look over their head, see if anything I go lick them. Come I guess. I can't bother. But anyway, guys, stay tuned for the rest of the night. So I'm gonna just give you like maybe a 1 or 2 update in the night, and then tomorrow morning I'm gonna walk around basically and show you if there's any damage or what take place during the storm. But to me, up this side, I don't know exactly, because I don't know some of the indoors, but to me I think the wind, the rain will do way more damage than the winds, because the rain fall right now. The rain fall. So so when the earth get wet and trees are gonna start turn over, light posts are gonna start turn over, and all of them something there. So to me, I think the rain is going to do more damage than the wind. But still I pray God for protect we and keep we safe, and everybody just try keep safe. If you have to evacuate, find a shelter or something and evacuate and stay safe. Alright, my people them, stay safe. That's all me big on. Hey guys, it is now 10:30. Sleep and mash me down. Sleep and mash me down, honestly. But nobody now come. Like the place is as dead can be. So I'm gonna take a little nap. I'm gonna doze off, I think. Cause I'm tired. I want to sleep. So anyway guys, we're gonna update in the morning and show you what Hurricane Beryl did to our little community. Alright, so me catch you know in the morning. Hey guys, good morning. It's after 6. My ugly bad. But it's after 6 guys. Let me just wake up. Alright guys, so I just wake up, brush my teeth and wash my face. So of course my eyebrow them are gonna look like a them Beryl come for. But you don't judge, don't watch that. Anyway, I'm gonna show you what happened here in Kellett's, Clarendon. So good morning guys and welcome to July 4th. Today something there America. 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, my American peoples. We are now going to try to recover from this hurricane, and hopefully my mom is okay in Cayman and my dad. Hope you all are okay in Cayman, guys. Because we know the storm's supposed to pass on early this morning, so open a good. It passed on a little further than how it passed so we just open a good. And for everybody else in the Cayman Islands, stay safe. Oh no, do nothing, alright? Okay, these. The billboard down there so gone. But, that right there so that gone. Look on starting over, look on to falling tear up. Break it. And fish on it. Cheese oh my god. Wow. So what in there went up then that everything there left nothing in there.
Like the shirt, I remember that like in the implements and Lord O'Neill's. So if you're never going in the
Oh, it's in a swing here that must drop off.
and you don't want catch it.
Why me keep on hear that sound the same way?
Or speaking so like when a jolly footboard.
Morning.
Same thing there went down.
I couldn't make camera them load so. See what I want up here so. So the zinc over there so lift up.
Some board papa I tell you too.
One day for no, but I upstairs. Me see board they fly from another up.
Over the capital direction
Yeah.
That's it, when it's on.
Cause it
Like, good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning, good morning, good
No,
morning,
no
Nick.
drive, no drive.
No, I'm not driving, Nick. Say them zinc place and nothing no do them. What? Zinc are grown up there, so where them there come from? Watch it, man. I look like container shop to go off so. See zinc are grown up there, so you know? Brother. Yes, there. Alright guys, so this is in the town. We don't see a whole lot of damage except the barber shop and the bar down there so and that gate here up here so on the billboard. Yeah.
Papa sure mash up woman.
Yeah. Well look like they something they them up there. Here. And over there so the gate over there so and the zinc them. Alright. Nothing too bad no go on. And for a solar panel this will drop down. Nothing too bad. Alright guys, so that's pretty much the update for Kellett's. So I'm going to show y'all what took place at my home. Nothing too bad going down there still. But the networks aren't working so I can't hear from nobody. the current gone, so there's no internet. So from last night, guys, I haven't heard from my family at home. But I know them supposed to good still. I know them good. Them good. But when we reach home, I give you an update as to how home is. And then I close out the video, alright? So for now, that is it. So guys, it is now 6:35. So I'm just waiting on my co-workers to come in. Because as them come, me gone. Not even a second over. Like last night was so uncomfortable. But you see, because we're there so long, I mean, I do night shift already, you don't know that. But being here from in the morning, my neck tired, my bum tired, like everywhere I just feel tired, just feel sore. So right now I just want to go home, take a nice good shower and go sleep. I mean, I'm not gonna get much sleep for right now, but that's all I want right now. I want some sleep. Okay, so hello, anybody home? Ratted. Wait. Anybody home? Oh, wait. Ratted. Munga! Whoa, the place look bright and clear. Watch road. Road mash up like. Catch your book. Yeah, river coast. Hi, my love.
Hey,
How are you? Morning.
you can take your coming.
Huh?
You can take your coming.
Cane truck?
Yeah, okay.
Alright, so down here good. It's good. It's all good. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're good at home. Everybody is good at home. So the road mash up though. Some gutter like river course. Look there. A river. We're living now basically, but it's all good. So guys, thanks for watching. Hope nobody got hurt. Well, I've heard of one death so far in Jamaica. Condolences to that family. But I hope nobody really get no hurt. And for those who had to evacuate, I hope they recover from this hurricane as soon as possible. And anybody that was put out of place, we just hope to recover as soon as possible. We're without current right now. And I know we're going to be without current for a few days. So, boy, but we're going to try and recover from here. So stay safe, guys, because the rains are going to continue for a few days as well. So y'all just stay safe and sound. So peace out, guys. See you in another video. Bye.